Recent layoffs in the tech industry have captured headlines, with more than 350,000 tech workers laid off since the beginning of 2022. Largely missing from the coverage, however, was the thousands of contract workers who were also laid off and sent home with nothing. Why? Because the WARN Act, also known as the Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification Act, does not cover many of them. So what are we planning to do about that, and as per our mission, the inequities within and as a result of the tech industry in 2023? Here's an overview of our sponsored and priority legislation for the 2023 California legislative session. We have 2 sponsored bills that we hope to become law this year. The Protect Laid Off Workers Act strengthens California's WARN Act. AB 1356 would expand protections for workers impacted by mass layoffs. Specifically, it would require companies to give 90 days notice prior to a mass layoff, guarantees that workers do not have to waive their legal rights in order to be protected by the WARN Act, and it extends mass layoff protections to contract workers. Then we have SB 403, Ending Caste Discrimination in California. SB 403 adds caste, a system of social stratification and exclusion in South Asia and beyond, as a protected category in the state's anti-discrimination laws. While tech has made many promises to address racial inequities across the industry, caste discrimination goes largely ignored. You may have heard that Google canceled their event with Maury Sandarajan about this very topic. We think this key inequity has gone overlooked for too long in tech and across the economy. We've also identified priority legislation that would strengthen workers' rights and address California's housing crisis. Our slate of priority bills would address family caregiver discrimination by explicitly prohibiting the discriminatory treatment of workers due to their status as a family caregiver, protect whistleblowers who experience retaliation and allow them to collect up to $10,000 that currently only the state may collect from law-breaking employers, help prevent homelessness by increasing the stability and affordability for renter families, by limiting how much a landlord can raise the rent, and limiting no-fault evictions. As you can tell, we have a lot on our plate this year. Are you in? If you want California to lead the country in strong worker protections and fair and accessible housing, go to techequitycollaborative.org to learn more.